Hi, everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. The busy week has a slow start because Japan is on vacation and the UK, Canadian, and US markets are closed for the Queen. The sell-off continues in equities, and the US dollar remains firm. The majority of large Asian markets fell. India is an exception. Stoxx 600 Europe is closed for the fifth consecutive session. Futures in the USA are trading generally lower. Today, the dollar is on the rise against all currencies. The Antipodeans, Scandis, and others are the worst affected. The Swiss Franc, which is down about 0.2%, is the most resilient major currency. Gold has retraced its pre-weekend gains of nearly $10 and is poised to test the $1,650 level. December Dow DTI is trading at or near the lows of last week. The near $82.40 level is likely to surpass the month's low of $80. Asian Pacific market. Yesterday, President Biden declared that the U.S. would defend Taiwan against an unprecedented attacker, while simultaneously stating that the One China strategy remains unchanged. Remember that Biden made similar remarks back in May. However, the White House later changed their minds. The G7 trade ministers also agreed to toughen their stance towards Beijing due to its aggressive behavior. Although the dollar is now firmer against the Japanese currency, it remains within the range established in the middle last week. Initial gains in the Australian dollar were modest, rising to $0 and 6,735 cents above its pre-weekend peak. However, sellers soon emerged and pushed it down below $0 and 6,680 cents. The weekend's two-year low was closer to $0 and 6,670 cents. Market of Europe. Next month will see the start of European winter season in terms of energy use. Germany placed the three Rosneft refiners that account for about an eighth of its refining capacity in trusteeship with the Federal Energy Regulator. Today, the euro trades with a more negative bias and is unable to rise above $1.30. In early European turnover, it was at a low of $0 and 9,965 cents. We mainly focused on the G7 central bank meetings this week. To be certain, however, other European central bank meetings are also held. Along with the Bank of England and Switzerland, central banks of Norway, Switzerland, and Switzerland will raise rates on Thursday. The SNB will likely raise its deposit rate by 75 bp. This would bring it to 0.5%. Sterling is struggling even to sustain minor upticks. Market of America. Today's economic calendar is very light. Canada's markets remain closed today. However, tomorrow's August CPI will be reported on the industrial and raw material price indexes. Today's weakness in U.S. equities is driving the greenback to new highs of 2 years against the Canadian dollar. Late morning turnover in Europe is helping it reach new highs. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.